It's interesting when different academic disciplines feed off each other to explain certain phenomena. Like the theory of niche in media economics, actually originates in the field of biology and the study of ecosystems. The study of evolution is about the different species in nature competing with each other for scarce resources in order to survive. In media economics, niche theory seeks to understand how different media companies compete for scarce resources in order to survive. Where in biology it was originally used to study different populations of animals and extinction patterns, niche theory in media economics has been applied to see how media companies compete for advertisers and audiences in order to gain competitive advantage over one another. This macro level theory proposes that a new medium competes with older, more established media to fulfill users' needs, and in doing so, they evolve an ecosystem of competition and coexistence. The theory is designed to quantify competition among media industries through a series of measures. These measures include measuring the size or breadth of the niche of a competitor in the market and the degree of overlap between competitors. To elaborate further, niche breadth refers to the amount and range of resources used by a company, and niche overlap is the degree to which two or more companies share the same resources. Greater breadth means greater overlap, which leads to competitive exclusion, which means fewer companies. And narrow breadth implies less overlap or greater resource partitioning, which leads to coexistence of more companies. The niche of a medium is derived from its pattern of resource use, which represents its strategy for survival and growth, and ultimately determines its position in a multidimensional resource space. The macro dimensions of the resource space may include gratification utilities, gratification opportunities, advertising, consumer time, and consumer spending. A drawback, if it can be called that, about niche theory is that while it establishes measures to determine within industry competition, it does not measure across industry competition, which is where in fact most large media conglomerates compete in the media economy. The theory has proved valuable in explaining how sectors of the media industry adapt to new competition, such as that from the internet or other new media and technologies.